Hello everyone, in this tutorial let's learn how to write a first macro in Excel. For that you can click on the VBA editor or you can press the shortcut Alt F11. Click on the option Insert and select the option Model. Now let me type subject. Now you can give the name for the macro. Now I am simply giving testing. Now let me type range, open bracket and then double inverted comma. Now I'll select the cells randomly like A3 semicolon and then till D10. Now let me close this double inverted comma plus close the bracket and now give is equal to, let me give the name as Santu Excel anywhere, but it should be within the double inverted comma. So first press the double inverted comma. Now let me type Santu Excel anywhere and close the double inverted comma. Okay, to run the macro, we can go with a shortcut by simply pressing F8 or else you can click on the option to run the macro. If you click on this button simply and it will automatically capture the data. That's it. Hope this video helps. Kindly subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.